If you are struggling to get access to Veo 3, then this video is for you. As in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited 100% free access to Google Veo 3. And that's true without having any kind of educational email or credit card. And I'm not only going to tell you about access of Veo 3, but I will also show you that how you can get unlimited credits and can generate unlimited videos. I'm not going to tell you about any cheap third-party application. Well, I'll show you directly accessing it on Google official platform. So stay with me till the end and see this magic happening in real time. Well, I'm Abir Mushtaq from AI Ustad. Let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for AI Ustad. In the first few results, you will see our website aiustad.com. Open it and then open this Google View 3 blog post. If you cannot find it here, you may search it here. In this blog post, I have provided all the links and complete method in one single place so you can get it anytime. And if you forget any step, you can simply read from here instead of watching the whole video again. Now, in step 1, we need to create account on Google Flow website. This step is not important, but I am going to show you that I do not have any credits available in my account. Here you can see I have 0 AI credits. Now let's go back to AI Ustad website, and in step 2 we need to create a free account on Google Cloud Skill Boost. Click on join. Then in the middle of the page click on sign in with Google. Enter your date of birth here. Click on I accept. Now close this. Now click on explore. Now go to bottom and select this lab, a tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. Open this lab. Now click on Start Lab. Fill up the CAPTCHA. In a few moments, it will show you login details. We do not need to log in manually. Simply do right click on Open Google Cloud Console button and open this in incognito window. Now it will automatically log in our temporary account here, and we will be able to use Veo 3. Click on I understand. Accept terms and conditions, and then click on agree and continue. Now go to left side menu and click on Vertex AI. Now click on agree and continue, and in left side menu click on Media Studio. Now in the middle of the page click on View. Now this is the dashboard to create unlimited videos with Veo 3. Here you can see in the model we have Veo 3, number of results per prompt we can set to 1 or 2, and then here is the length, which is 8 seconds, and it will definitely generate audio. Now this account is a temporary account and Google has given its access to us for about 60 minutes. We can create about 15 to 20 videos in this 1 hour, and there is not any kind of restriction on it. But after completing our 60 minutes, what we need to do is just go back to this step 5, start lab. Just go to this step 5. For example, suppose our 60 minutes are completed. Just end this lab, and now our 60 minutes are completed. We just need to click on start lab again, fill up the captcha, and then it will give us access again. So in this way you can use it unlimited time, you can create unlimited videos, you can generate unlimited stuff. Simply right click here, click on opening incognito window, and repeat these last 2 to 3 steps again. So after each 60 minutes, after each 15 to 20 videos, you need to repeat last these steps. Now let's create a video and test the results. You will not be able to listen to audio due to my microphone, but you will be able to watch the video. I have given it a simple prompt. Let's hit enter, and it will take somewhere about 3 to 5 minutes to create this video. For the time this video is being generated, let me tell you again that I have written this blog post with the images. If you forget any step, you can simply come here in this blog post and watch that steps. And I also have given my WhatsApp channel link here. Make sure to join that, because on my WhatsApp channel I provide premium content including methods, prompts, 100% free. So make sure to join our WhatsApp channel. Now let's go back to video. Our video is just ready. Now let's play it. Here you can see the quality of Veo 3. So this was how you can create unlimited videos using Veo 3, and you can access Veo 3 without any credit card or educational email. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet in the next one. Make sure to join our WhatsApp channel. Goodbye. Peace out.